Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up multi-location inventory for Shopify and ShipBob. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the settings section in the lower left corner of the Shopify dashboard. Click on locations in the settings menu. Ensure that you have multiple locations set up in Shopify. If not, click on add location and fill in the necessary details. Save your changes once all locations are added. Next, head to your ShipBob account. Log in to your ShipBob dashboard. Click on Settings in the left sidebar. Select Inventory from the drop-down menu. You will see an option for Warehouse Locations. Here, click on Add Warehouse if you need to add a new location. Fill in the required details for each warehouse you want to connect. Ensure that the location details match those you entered in Shopify. After entering the details, click Save. Next, return to your Shopify settings. Click on Products from the main menu. Select the product you wish to manage multi-location inventory for. Scroll down to the Inventory section of the product page. Click on Edit Locations to configure inventory for each location. Enter the available quantity for each location you set up. Save your changes to update the inventory settings. Now, integrate your Shopify with ShipBob to sync inventory. Go to the ShipBob app in your Shopify store. Click on Connect with ShipBob to authorize access. Follow the prompts to complete the integration. Once integrated, ShipBob will automatically sync your inventory levels from Shopify. Log into your ShipBob account again to verify the inventory sync. In the ShipBob dashboard, check the inventory section to see your products. You can now manage orders and shipments from multiple locations effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.